For 52 years, Andrew Robinson and his family have run this pharmacy. As a franchisee of Sigma Healthcare, he thinks benefits will flow from its merger with Chemist Warehouse.
Better buying opportunities, better support in merchandising, ranging, being available to sort of give us advice around general business operations.
But Andrew wants to see continued checks on the way big companies behave.
From a consumer point of view, price on shelf, it's only going to continue the competition as long as pricing doesn't become predatory.
The new merged entity will operate 950 pharmacies, giving it a 16% share of the total retail market. Franchisees will still be able to operate under their existing banners, including Chemist Warehouse, My Chemist and Amcal. Sigma is also a wholesaler of pharmaceutical products, and the new company will own 16 distribution centres across Australia and New Zealand. The ACCC has slapped conditions on the deal because it was initially worried it could reduce competition.
We will be able to see and assess if we have a risk of resulting in lesser competition and the loss of choice, price competition and service competition that consumers value.
Sigma will waive fees for pharmacies looking to exit the group and delete their data from its books. It will also appoint an independent auditor to report back to the consumer watchdog.
The deal as it was proposed would have led to a substantial lessening of competition. The changes that have been offered in the undertaking get rid of some of those problems. Yes, there's an issue. Competition is going to be reduced. That's bad for consumers generally. On the other hand, it's a much better outcome than the deal that had been proposed in the first place.
Some customers are concerned.
They call the shots, don't they, with the price of things and different things like that.
When they have a bigger market share, they can hike up the prices.
Chemist Warehouse and Sigma say the ACCC's approval is an important milestone, but not all industry players are happy. The lobby group, representing thousands of pharmacies, says the regulator will need to closely monitor the merger to ensure it doesn't reduce competition and lead to higher prices.
Any naughty behaviour is the breach of a court enforceable undertaking and is therefore in contempt of court. We will go to court and get orders that will stop it and that will also compensate for damage that has arisen from it.
Back at Amcal, Andrew hopes it will be business as usual.
Time will tell in relation to what the impacts will be. I'm hopeful there'll be positive impacts, that we can actually get some extra support from their experience in running businesses.
The deal still needs to be approved by shareholders and the federal court.